So today we are going with the periodic table, like the basic information about that. So first we need to know what is periodic table, like combination, or we can say like combine the periods and groups is known as periodic table. So first, now what are these like periodic periods and group? Periods like in periodic table which are present in this like we can say row, I guess, yes, like these are present in this one shape, these are known as periods. And in our periodic table there are the 7 periods. How? If we see the like whole condition, first start with the helium, lithium, hydrogen, lithium, potassium, sodium, rubidium, like they are the 7. This means the sequence would be 7. And if we talk about the groups, so like these are present like this, and these are 18 in number. How? If we count the sequence like this, 1 2 1 2 and like that, so these would be 18. So this the periods and groups. So now first we need to know how periodic table is made or like that. So the structure of the periodic table is like this. How? Let me tell you, wait. So this one is known as S P D F. So what are these? As we know, like they are the shells. We are having like, here's the 1 2 3 4. So we know this one shell is known as K, this one is L, this one is M, and this one is N. Okay, so these are further divided into subshells. So how these would be divided, I will tell you. I'm telling you here. Like if we make one, this is the nucleus. So the first one would be having S only. Okay, so this means like this one K group is having one subshell, and if we move to the L is having two, S and P. Okay, so if we move further to the M, so it would be S P D, and if we move to the last one shell, that would be S P D F. How? Let me tell you again. Like as we know, we are having shells that are K L M N, but these are further divided into subshells which are S S P S P D S P D F. So these are the subshells. So here we have also written like that. S, this one side is known as S, this one is P E, this one is D, this one is F. And now this the called A, this is called B. How? Like in this A1 group and A2 group, we know like there's a two periods in this one group, and here are the 6. Okay, the two groups, and here are the 6. Okay, so now what? So now this is having 2, this is having 6. Okay, so now this D would be having 10. So when we will combine it, so there would be 6 plus 2 8, and 8 plus 10 is equal to, total would be 18. Now like here we are making like, now what will be in the A1 group? Here the rows like periods, groups, and these all like this. We do have like this. I cannot make the hair properly, but you can have an idea how it would look. So this the periods and groups. Now if we go with the starting A1 group, this group is also known as alkyl metal. Okay, like this group is known as alkyl metal. I will tell you reason later, but let's go with the A1 and A2. A1 sequence is start with the symbol H L I N A K R B C S F R. So how we have to learn, like there's a one kind of trick to learn that. H means like Helena. These are the symbols. Okay, so Helena, I'm writing this symbol again. Helena की रब से फरियाद. Okay, so these like it's a simple way or trick to learn this. Helena की रब से फरियाद, this the like sequence. Now let me write how these are. This is hydrogen, this is lithium, Na sodium, this is the potassium, and rubidium. This one is cesium, yeah, and this one francium. Okay, so these are, and now like to learn even the atomic number, we do have one trick. How that is, let me write here. Like the trick is, first we should know this one rule: 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, and 32. How? Let me tell you. If we will add like hydrogen, as we know, like from starting, this means it is having one atomic number. We have to learn this. Even we know, like as we can learn it like that, counting start from 1. So hydrogen also start with the 1. So we know hydrogen is 1. So when we will plus this 1 with 2, so we will get 3. So this means the second one, Li, would be having, like lithium would be having 3 atomic number. Then we will plus this 3 with this 8. So we will get 11. So this means Na, sodium, would be having 11. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Then this 11 would be plus in this 8. So what we will get, 11 plus 8, this would be 19. Okay, so Na has a K, potassium, that would be 19. After that, what will, this 19 would be plus into 18, and what we will get when we will add this 19 to 18, that would be the rubidium, that would be Rb, that would be like when we plus them, this would be 37, I guess. Yes, that would be 37. Then we plus this with this 18, so we will get 37 plus 18, that would be 55. So that would be of Cs, like the cesium or whatever Cs. Then in the end, when we will plus this 55 into this 32, so this means the francium, that Fr, would is equal to 87. So this is the trick to learn the like atomic number of these also. Now we can write, here's when we get hydrogen 1, lithium 3, sodium 11, potassium 19, rubidium 37, this cesium 55, and this is having 87. So this is the like simple way. Now as I told you, this group is known as alkyl radical. How, like why it's known as, like it is oxide is in basic nature, like these are in basic nature, like these react very fast. How? Like if we put any vacuum, air, or any condition, when we will give water, even though, so that will react very fast. So to like keep that in a safe place, like if we take example of any here sodium, so it will be placed in our environment, so it can react with our environment, so it can cause many, like it can be destroy anything nearest the so like it would react very fast. So that's the reason this is known as alkyl metal. So after like these would be put into kerosene oil, so in that they will not react with any other, like if we have taken example of sodium, so if we that will present in a kerosene oil, so that would not react very fastly. So this was all for the basic concept of the periodic table. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching.